Hello guys, welcome once again. Today being a brighter Sunday, we are going to talk about a little bit about roasting and the process that do happen or occur when we are roasting the coffees. So join me as we go through this channel of roasting so that we can understand what usually happens when we change the coffee from the green beans that we all know to the dark brown, the brown or the caramelized brown coffee beans that we enjoy the cup of coffee with it. So we have two main processes that will occur during roasting. First of all, when you take your green beans, you put them into the machine, and the machine has a high temperature of between 200 to 215 degrees Celsius, and actually the pressure also inside, it depends on how you set it. So these coffee beans go through a process of gaining the heat, and this process is called endothermic. So endothermic is the process when coffee beans or the green beans have to gain heat from the machine. Then from there, the coffee beans get the ultimate heat and now become more hot and start to release the heat. So the green beans first of all gain the heat, so from the machine itself. Then from there they will receive the heat, then they'll start now giving out the heat. So when the coffee beans are receiving the heat from the machine, it's called an endothermic process. So from this process, the beans are turning the color from the green to light yellow, from light yellow to darkish yellow. Then from there, they'll grow more and more and more into the last process that you as a roaster would like to prefer. So first of all, the coffee receives the heat from the machine, so it's called an endothermic process. Then after the coffee beans have attained the maximum heat or the maximum heat or temperature from the machine, now they will start to expand and release the heat. So once the coffee beans are releasing the heat to the surrounding or from inside the structure of the beans, the coffee beans turn the color uniformly from one process to another depending on time and how the pressure is exerted on the coffee. So this process is called an exothermic process. So coffee beans receive heat and then give it out. It is called exothermic. So when the coffee is releasing the heat, the color changes from green to dark green, or from dark, whatever you want it to be, to change. So when the coffee receives the heat, then after receiving the heat, it releases the heat. It is called exothermic. So these are the two main processes that act or happen during roasting. So when you are a roaster, you should understand endothermic and also exothermic. So coffee receives the heat and then gives out the heat. So I hope you guys understand the two processes that do happen when we are roasting. Thank you and welcome again in the next channel. You're welcome.